So here it is, and this is how the cardigan looks like after the sewing. Now the next thing that is remaining is the crew neck. So for the crew neck, I am going to work with a slip stitch again. And the first round, I am going to shape first the neck. So I am going to go and work slip stitches and make it a little bit rounder and connect these points over here, because these are the ones that are not regular. So that's why we will need one round. The first round it is to shape the neck. There is not an exact pattern for that, but I am just going to show you what I am doing for my crew neck. So I am just going to start here because we are going to do the crew neck from here. So we are going to go around up here, and then we're going back until we build up to a certain point. So I'm going to grab here the first stitch, pull a loop, and try to twist it a little bit. Tidy up everything, and I am going to insert the hook on the next stitch. Try a place where to insert the hook over there. Pull through a loop, and I'm going to do a slip stitch and just do the same thing in the next stitch. Again, insert the hook, pull through and slip stitch. So I'm going to go and do all the stitches here, slip stitches. So it will look like this. I can leave this at the back. So here is all tidied up. Now we are going to tidy up these points over here. I'm gonna insert the hook here, right here at the beginning of these two stitches that we increase, right here at the foot, and I'm gonna do again slip stitch. I'm gonna insert the hook in the middle here and slip stitch, and I'm gonna insert the hook right here at the top, and again in the foot over here where we start the next two increases, and I'm just gonna do a slip stitch because like this it goes in rounds. So I'm gonna insert the hook in here in the middle. I'm gonna insert here at the top of these increases, and again at the foot over here at the end, and this is gonna be a slip stitch through both. So you can see that it is now taking a circle. It's being more regular. So that's what I'm gonna do up here, and here I'm gonna just crochet all the stitches one by one with a slip stitch, and then on the way back again I am going to apply the same the same method that I used over here. So I'm gonna go through all the stitches one by one here, and here at the top I'm gonna grab also this here. Here at the middle I'm gonna grab also the top, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch, and then I'm gonna do one slip stitch here. So just try to go around same as I did over here. Okay, so in the other side I am going to work like this. I'm gonna work the stitches, slip stitch, again here at the last one, insert the hook, and I'm going to insert also right here at the top of the other increase, and grab here the top, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch through all these three, so like this, it's round. Then I'm gonna continue crocheting slip stitch, slip stitch to the next stitch, and then to the next one again, insert the hook, and then again insert here at the top of the next decrease, yarn over, pull through all the three loops. And do that, and here all the stitches one by one with slip stitches. And this is how it will look like. So now that the neck is shaped, I'm just going to work a slip stitch through the back loop. The same border that I did over here, the same ribbing, I'm going to do it over here. Slip stitch through the back loop on the way back and then on the way up. So I'm going to continue crocheting that as many rows as you feel comfortable with. So you continue crocheting some of them and try it on, and then you see if the crew neck is enough for you, because maybe some of you would like to have a small crew neck and maybe some higher crew neck. So just try that on, and I am going to show you how many rows actually I did for my cardigan. So let's continue and crocheting slip stitch through the back loop, forth and back. Okay guys, here we are. I did finish the crew neck, and I also wanted to tell you that I did a hole over here because I forgot to tell you that. I just left 2 stitches, same way as I did the holes over here, because I'm gonna put a button over here as well. So I think I went 3 times forth and back, 3 times for here under the hole, and 3 times forth and back on the top. So now the next thing is sewing the buttons, and that's it, the whole pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!